Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to enter the backup option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we will be immediately transferred to this section in which we can add the Google account. So let's tap on add account. Of course, if you've got one previously added, then you will be able to simply turn on the backup. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on it in order to get more information, and then tap on I agree. And as you can see here, we've got more info about the backup actually. So here you can check that you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, contacts, device settings, and text messages, of course. Also, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, of course it will securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And basically here we've got the backup section, so here you can check how much space you've got left and what kind of data you've got saved. You can of course manage the storage, so for example remove some details which you do not really need, like duplicated photos and so. Here we've got also the backup details, so which data has been already backed up, and the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. As you can see, the charges may apply. It is because your device will also back up the data by using the mobile or Wi-Fi data. So as I said, just keep this option turned off and you will avoid some additional expenses you won't have to pay. So to finish the whole process, just tap on backup now, and basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your LENOVO Yoga Tab 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.